Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live show. Today is Thursday, March 27th, 2025. My name is Mo G. If you can't tell, today is opening day for baseball. I'm a huge baseball fan, as you could tell by the colors I'm wearing. I'm a Met fan. Hopefully we have a good year coming up this year. Last year was absolutely amazing. Let's see what my Mets can do this year. But for now, let's head to the charts to see what's happening today in the New York session. All right, so as you can see here, this is the trigger chart. Let's look at the dashboard. Let me just move this down. You can see we are ranging here. I have to reload that because that's a little screwy. But we have, in order for short, we have bearish, and we have pullback with trend. You can see money zones on top of price. That's another indication we're breaking below my long on stall level. That's another indication for a short. If we go to the TWA, which is called structure, right? TWA market structure. You know what's a cool thing about this? Let me just open this. You can have it. The candles are 5-minute, but I have the structure set up as a 15-minute. Right, so you can see the higher time frame structure on a lower candle time frame. So you can see here, support so far has held up once, twice. Let's see if it'll hold up this time, and let's see it on the shorter time frame to see what we can see. So let's put it on the chart because it's a 5-minute chart. Let that load up and see what it wants to look like. So it's loaded up. It's basically the same. So we're right in between this range of support and resistance. That's about I would say maybe from here to 140s to about, yeah, it's 150 point. And we're just hitting a new structural low, so we'll see what happens. All right, switch over to boys. Good morning, DC. How are you?
Hey guys, let's go Mets.
Yes, it's going to be a great year, hopefully. Hopefully.
Well, I mean, you wearing those colors, so they cannot fail, right?
No, there's a huge meme, like especially from The Simpsons, where and welcome to opening day, and the season is over. All right, let's go back to the line. All right, now let's see what we have going on. Get some water going. What happened to my chart? Being a beautiful chart here. Hold on. Switch. There we go. I want to see this. Do some analysis. Bum, 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 bum. Turn this off for a second. There you go. more minutes to open. We are breaking down. Here to here. And let's bring this over to here. Hey, good morning, Clyde.
Okay. I like it. Excel seems to be behaving as well today. Let's see.
Yeah,
Well, y'all are short.
let's see.
Looking
Are y'all-
short. I was in longs during London a little bit, but
I was definitely
I-
in longs during Asia for the
mhm,
night.
Asia was definitely long. How's the mic? I'm gonna push it a little bit farther away so
All you have
you
to do is
don't
just put it
hear
outside.
all my thoughts.
You got to put it in the yard outside.
Oh man, my cherry is about to pop. Cherry tree,
Oh,
not the other kind of cherry.
oh my goodness. Yo, this is gonna be a
Because
great
you're talking
day.
about garden. You're talking about garden, so I have a cherry tree in the garden, and now it's blossoming season, and it's gonna be beautiful.
Is it new? Is it a new tree? Like, or is it?
It's
you had
pretty
some-
young. I mean, it's only like 3-4 years maybe.
Okay. It's almost cherry blossom season too.
Yeah.
And
I planted it the same year that I started the mentorship, so we've been growing together. That's very
nice.
Okay. 30 seconds. We're gonna be rocking and rolling right here. Shorts are very expensive here. Longs I'm not interested in yet. We had news they weren't very promising, so we'll see what New York wants to do. We're open, let's go. There's the bell.
I like it. Me likey.
Like as long as we stay below 80 or 90, even better.
All right, turn that on. There was a nice mechanical long entry. I didn't take it, but just looking at the pinpoint trigger system.
Yeah, kind of late. Fired into resistance,
Mhm.
so I wasn't interested. I saw it.
This one. That one's a little better. Yeah, that's a lot better. Wow. Okay. Let's see.
Short at 46.
I'm short with you.
First TP right here, and let's see if it runs.
How do I put back a stop loss if it gets like weirded out and on Tradeovate? Anybody?
Just um, try to put an order without a bracket, opposite of your, if it was a buy, just put a sell limit
Okay.
without a bracket attached.
Okay. So I just
50 points right here, more than.
Okay. Is it on the Dom?
I'm gonna be looking for the first level of problems at around 970 after the gap from Monday has been filled.
50 points been hit.
Probably that is where Cloud is waiting for to get his long.
I stopped the long off open. I'm just waiting.
And you called it so nicely too.
I was on the phone, but yeah, that's why I was on mute for the first 5 minutes of the market. I just got off the phone with one of my contractors.
Oh, I thought you got off the phone with with the market makers.
No, I wish.
Okay, moving stop to 43. It shouldn't go above. Okay, starting the day really nicely.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like the chat enjoyed very much yesterday when I called out.
Just
shorts.
click at level.
Positive reinforcements. Okay, 75 points hit, very nice. Here is the level that might give us some problems.
Yay.
You can see we already have problems advancing, so we have a little bit of
We have a lot of room down.
news.
We have that big gap from Sunday. Like we gapped up a Sunday for the Asia Open. We have to test that gap from that Friday high or that Friday close at least. We do have news again at 10 o'clock. We have pending home sales. We have national natural gas at 10:30.
That's what I said. Okay, good. So gap has been filled. Gap has been filled with the tears of those going long.
Hold on, guys. Hello? No, I'm still holding those puts. Yeah. They're expiring
Hey,
next week.
Cloud, you're on the thing. Okay.
100 points hit.
I'm a little bit behind you.
I'll wait.
So, yeah.
Sorry about that, you guys. I gave up.
Nah,
I gave a
it's okay.
trade out to a buddy of mine yesterday, and he took it, and he's up, and he's freaking out, talking about what do I do? What do I do? Do I sell? Do I sell? It's like, no, you just hold.
Not financial advice, just a good friend.
Yeah, not financial, financial advice.
That's what we call it now. Not financial advice, just a good friend. I
Yeah,
moved my
I
take
gave him
profit
Tesla
out
puts.
of
I
the
gave him
way.
Tesla. He's
Hopefully,
printing right now on the Tesla puts. Let's see if this holds right here. I wouldn't mind it popping up to the 20,000 and coming back down again.
boo. That's where my he's trying to get my stop.
I want to
So-
enter the party too. I caught the longs last night and the longs off open, but I want to catch it. I might want to catch another short today. I'm in these Tesla puts right now, so I might want to join the party with Nasdaq.
So on the screen here, you can't see it. Let me see. Hold on a second. There you go.
ESYM, Apple, Amazon. All right.
So on the screen here, this red line, the skinny one, the third one on top, that's my trailing stop. And right now it's at 19,991. And I'm just going to trail it all the way down.
Trailing stop from what more?
That is
V2?
from the V2. I'll go V2. This one.
V2 the trailing stop, right?
Yes.
On the 15?
No, this is on my trigger chart here. So it's like the 30-second.
Ah, the 30-second. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a pretty nice idea.
I use it because I have a difficult time finding invalidation points, like in real time. So this just helps me be like, okay, you know what? If it takes it, fine. I'll find another entry point.
If I take Venice line, just turn red again. It's coming back down. It's coming down.
Go, Cloud. I love it when that 5-second Evans line turns red again.
I don't, because I couldn't even take it. We're already super cheap at the previous weekly close. But again.
Okay, so the stop is still at 91. Hasn't moved yet, even with that bump down. Okay. I only took a 2 micro trade here because of context where we were. We were, it was pretty cheap, but it was with my game plan. And look at this beautiful mechanical setup: green, purple, down.
Yeah, I said at the beginning of the when we opened that shorts are in play, but shorts are very expensive in the sense that but if it's mechanical, you gotta take it.
Yeah.
The only thing is contract size. That's why I only went in with 5 micros.
What can we go from here? We got a ways down. But what can?
We gotta go through this stupid area first.
Yeah.
Let me see. If we don't have today is what? Thursday. So for you guys is Wednesday.
800.
Nope. 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 Okay, very good.
Yep. Right here, the 800s. That's the next support thing on the market structure on the 5th. Is that the 15 or the 5? Yeah, that's the 5.
I got 850. But we'll see.
Okay. Some people be taking longs here.
Me. Red backgrounds across the board on everything.
This may take me out. It's okay. Yep. Okay, I'm out of that trade. It was a very good trade.
Very, very good trade.
Inside the money zones right here on the 15 second.
30 second is just above a little bit. Touching the 220k mark.
Yay, Nasdaq. You're doing it, Nasdaq. Let me brag like everybody else about their 100 points.
You only have bragging rights if you call the entry when you enter. Otherwise, it's.
Okay. So I guess with that being said, I have more background rights over the past couple of weeks than you, right?
I'll
Come
give
on.
you that. Yes, I'll give you that. Yes.
But no. One thing I will say, the shorts you did call today was very good. It was at the weekly open. We couldn't break above this. Was it a cheap box on the auto setting? We had VWAP right there. You had the 1 minute evidence line stay red. I mean, that was a good short. That was a good short. So I'm definitely a little jealous about that short. Honestly, I missed it. And all the trigger indicators gave you the entry.
Yep.
Previous weekly close, I'm gonna be flat. And I will probably wait for the new 4 hour because I'm against the trend. I can and my new rule is I can only take 2 trades against the trend, and this is my first trade against the trend. Next trade will be at the new 4 hour. Seeing a 2000s, I mean the 20,000s level hold, like I pretty much said earlier when Mo was in his shorts, I wanted a spike up to 20,000 so I can grab shorts, but I grabbed these longs a little heavy, and so I'm happy with the position. I'm flat by the way, but I'm happy with the position in the trade, so I didn't want to turn around and take a short.
Oh, the longs are cooking right now.
Mhm.
I can see them on the trigger.
Oh shit. It seems like the Nasdaq gods are within my favorites today. I think they want me to make some money today. I think. I'm sorry. Hold on. Who's even texting me? Oh my god! Today is my all right. 35 is right here. That should be a trim if you did take the longs again off the previous weekly close. I missed that entry right at the previous weekly close, but I did catch it at the 80s. At the 80s, it was kind of risky. Don't even want to call it out, but the original trade idea that I gave out before about the previous weekly close getting along back to the 2000s, I took it again a little later. That 35 should be your ultimate trim. You should take majority position off at 35, and that's what I did. I only had 5 micros left on the table. Originally took this trade with 20 micros. This is for me. This is about 50s. Let me measure it. Yeah, 53 points right here for me. Like I'm really just happy because this is the count that I almost blew 2 weeks ago. I had a good day on it yesterday, and I'm having another good day on it today. Hopefully you took a majority position off at 35, like I said. Now at this point, you just gotta just let go and let God, and that's what I'm about to do. I got stopped out at 3 micros right there at the 20,000s. No, only at 2 micros. So only at 2 micros left. The 2 micros are break even. You're up 150 odd dollars or so.
Ooh.
Oh! Thank you, Mo. Because I just looked up and we are up, baby. I'm moving my stop up on one of my micros. I'm only going to leave one at break even. These are the days I like the most, where DC and Mo can catch 100-point shorts. I can catch 100-point longs. We're both happy. Everything in the world is perfect. We can end world hunger now.
You need more minis than that.
No. I'm in micros. I'm in micros.
You need more minis than that for world hunger.
I got 2 micros on the table right now, so I'm just penny
I
pinching at this
mean,
point.
I mean, with this trade, I can end my hunger. Yes.
You on longs too? Did you take the longs off the 20,000 level or no?
Didn't. Just watching to see if it's worth changing my bias or this is just a, we left somebody
Change?
at the 20,000 without orders filled, and then okay, let's get you and then make a new low. Let's see. I'm just for now I'm just watching. Still bias short, nothing changed. I mean, I got one bearish statement though. Bullish statement. Not gonna tell you what it is.
Background look like they want to click off across the board. I'm looking at both ES and YM. ES background clicked off. YM is approaching VWAP right here, you guys. Be careful. Nasdaq's background did click off, so that's another bullish statement right there, a bullish sign.
I kind of like seeing this movement because that shows me that it's like not an abnormal day. Because if we would have broke right through the purple super cheap box, I kind of like this because if I zoom out, yeah, we're right in that resistance area right here. You got a lower high. Let's see. About 2.5 minutes to a new 4-hour forecaster.
Let's
I
wait.
ul-
Let's see.
I ultimately want to take 1 micro off at that London high if we can get up there. But right here at the 84 area, I'm not surprised that we hit a slight bumpy road.
Bump.
102 or 100 is gonna be another bumpy road. And the 100s that I called out in the Discord last week, Friday, as a screenshot, is approaching. Those from 150, pretty much from 100 to 150. I think we should see some bumpiness.
Change the color of that because this looks too much like that.
Hey, Cloud, trading related question for you.
Talk to me.
Since you are an X6 man, if you had to choose between an X5 and an 8 series, what would you choose?
In the 8 series,
Yeah.
I've learned my lesson with BMWs. If I buy another BMW, it's gonna have to be a V6, and I'm gonna have to upgrade it myself. If I'm getting the 8 series, I have to get a coupe or a convertible. If I'm getting a 4-door, I might as well just get an X5.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
And this was an insight when you have a good trading day. What to do with your profits.
But no, I'm gonna tell you right now, man. Get you a Model S, man. I have a Model S, and I love my Model S.
What, Tesla?
Yeah, So I have a Model S. I have a pickup truck, and I have a BMW.
No, seriously, Tesla?
Yeah, seriously, Tesla.
Why? Because Tesla's stock is so low now? We have to help Trump, like, not Trump. We have to help Mr. Musk.
That means the sales are coming.
Oh, news in 5 seconds. News in 5 seconds, you guys.
All right.
And we're bumping up against something right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come. Oh, Dom is active.
Man,
Dom is
here we
active.
go.
Dom is active.
Woo. The Dom is active.
Do I lock in 100 points here? I think I want to go ahead and try locking 100 points on one of my micros. Yeah, I just locked in 100 points on one of my micros. So stop moved up on 1 micro.
Let's go.
Yay. We love you, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq, keep going. I need you to keep going, Nasdaq. Stop being weird. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Yeah, might be. I still don't feel like changing bias yet.
Change it, man. Change it. I hate when y'all do this because now it makes me feel like the shorts can still print. Which pretty much like I said,
Which of course they could.
Oh yeah, like between 100 or really, I say between 80 and 150, we can see some rejection points here. You know what I mean? One micro's off the table, by the way. One micro's off the table. Only have one micro left.
The only thing is, though, the pinpoint triggers are yellow.
TPOs are yellow also. I mean, they clicked off, but they were.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna make a rule. If I'm going short, it has to be green to purple.
Yeah,
I'm not
definitely.
taking it any other way. Same thing for long, red to blue, to light blue. You heard it here live. That's the entry code rules. So that's actually comforting because now when you see all of this beautiful coloring on your chart, you just don't pay any attention until the setup actually starts.
One minute money zone wants to flip as well. Not good.
I hate that. I hate that. I hate 1 minute money zones because those are very, very strong.
It wants to flip green. That's why I don't like it.
I know. I still don't like it though, even though it's red.
See, I don't like that. Yellow to red to yellow. Don't touch it.
Because we're right in the 5 minute money zone as well too. That's why I don't like. I mean, like it. So right when you said, "Oh, it can flip," I looked at the 5 minute. I was like, I don't like that. I don't like that. Because where the 5 minute money is, because where the top of the 5 minute money zone is sitting, is right at that 100 level.
We would have to get below 60 before I actually look to enter.
I would say lower than 60.
40?
Yeah, 40 is good. You have to look at the line in the sand level.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm about to take my first payout from my live account, my own personal live account. I took a trade on it today, 5 micros on that second set of longs I took. I think I'm ready to take a payout, my first payout. Let's get it. I'm not liking this 100 level how it's playing right here. I mean, I kind of want us to just like, I really want us to come down a little bit more, come down to like
To
the
19,500s, I agree.
Like I'm thinking like either 70s, really the 50s. I want like low 50s. The only
Gotcha.
thing about it, if we get to the 50s, we could come crashing down. But I don't know if I feel comfortable with us just keep running up from here. Hmm? Hold on.
How many times does that happen? Too little. Okay, one, two.
Red, prove it.
Let's see if the 50 holds. If the 50 doesn't hold, we're coming down, down, down.
Hmm, that's interesting. I'm gonna note that down. I'm gonna note that down later.
What the 50 level?
No, no, no. I'm just looking at the pinpoint trigger indicator and seeing how many um, entry rules show up in a session. Those little interesting tidbits to
For me, like what I do to limit my entries or the call outs is like I have a chart that's on the 1 minute. That's the one that I try to look at the most for my entries. Because any other thing, because that entry on 1 minute gave me an entry at 9:43. Um, anywhere between 947 and 969, you could have entered in and stayed in that long from this morning off the pinpoint trigger entry.
Mhm. Like it's cool because like if you're really looking at it, if you follow those rules, like all of this here, you could have saved yourself not even entering. Interesting. And even here, when it went from yellow to red, that's fine. It could do it, but it's still. This is a healthy push down, then we get a healthy push up, and then probably get a.
Yes, we liking this, we liking this. No entries yet.
how much this will give. This would have been a trigger for a long. Okay. Let's see.
I cannot go long. I have red dots.
No, I'm not going. I'm just looking at the. I'm seeing how far it'll take us up.
There are no longs here. It's the worst area to go long.
Mhm.
Damn, DC, let's not be so negative. That 35 was a good area, monthly level. That's the same area that I.
Sorry, just calling them out as I see them.
Look, that's a
must have
nice
been a
50-point
very good
trade off
entry
that
for
level.
other people.
Yeah, that's a 50-point trade off the entry.
I want these candles to turn to stay green.
I don't know if I can take any more trades today. I don't know if I'm feeling it.
There we go.
Like, I got this one micro running. I might just call it a day, honestly. Let me see what the other discords are talking about.
The reason why I want these candles to be green is because I want it to cycle my way.
Uh,
Because if we also look here, yeah, okay, I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see. Let's see.
hold on, my headphones just died on me.
Okay, I'm in short.
Wait for me.
Yeah, I don't like y'all, man. I don't like y'all. Y'all so negative. Man, I always want to just like ruin my longs. Always. That's all y'all do.
Or somebody is trying to ruin our shorts. I mean,
I'm out already, risk free. That's good.
TPO yellow, very good. Didn't like this area anyway.
I guess I just gotta wait it out. It's not ready.
Oh man, I wanna go short so bad. But there's nothing. In 1 minute flipped. I might be done though.
Yeah, that's. I mean, honestly, that's what I'm thinking. It's like I really want to get another long on one of these accounts that I haven't traded today, but it's like, do I want to risk it? Like, I've already taken 2 trades on 2 separate accounts. I'm green on both of those accounts. These other 3 accounts, do I want to risk it today? And part of me is like, no. And with the
Yeah, I
LTPO,
mean, there was one good trade, one good down move. I got it. There was one good up move. You got it. I
yeah.
mean, if that's all it's gonna give, then why force it?
Yeah. Risk free short.
Oh, and I love the entry. I hate the location. I love the entry.
I think it's gonna take me out though.
I am short with you at 61, 62 actually. Just as TPO's turned
green,
yellow.
the yellow again.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna give it too much space. Not gonna give it too much space. Maybe 70. Yeah, 70. If this doesn't make a new low. Even I'm gonna go break even.
Short.
See how we're not advancing?
Yeah. All right, I'm out.
Yeah, break even. Break even, very good. Protected. Didn't move the way I wanted.
Nope.
I don't know. Part of me really wants to call it a day. What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow's OPEC Friday. Ooh, tomorrow's gonna be more exciting. We have PCE, personal income, personal spending at 8:30, 10 o'clock. We have consumer sentiment. Yeah, I may want to save my potential capital for tomorrow. Let me.
TPOs are yellow. Okay, that's why. All right. That's good to know. It's good information to know. Okay, so same rule applies. Write this down.
I like the long still. I just need more better candle coloring.
Okay.
Yeah, it's ranging, man. You know what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it until possibly 11 o'clock. If y'all want to call it live now, y'all can. But I'm gonna give it to 11 o'clock before I get up from my desk. I'm not actively watching the charts per se.
Nah, I'm just taking notes on what I'm seeing. And for the last half hour, we've been stuck here. And this is still holding. Still, gotta give it time. It needs more time.
on to the next level of resistance then.
Mhm. TPOs are turning green.
You remember what I said about those hundreds? Once we get into 100, a hundred from 100 to 153, it's going to be a bumpy road. You will see a bunch of spikes up and spikes down. Just be careful if you are trading this. I might look for another entry soon. I missed my last entry off the 80s, so I might be looking for another entry soon. I'll keep you guys posted if I do in the next 30 minutes.
Okay, not even 30 minutes, but I want to see what happens here at this important level. From
This is a
25 to
very important
35.
level right here. Like above 30 is a very important level. But like honestly, I really don't like this expensive box on the auto setting because there's just so much noise in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 monthly levels. We have the previous daily close at 116. We have the previous weekly high at 143. I just
Okay. I'm gonna take a little break. I just want to see what the price wants to do today. But as far as entries on the live, I think I'm done for right now. Because we're too expensive to go long. And right now,
Yeah, I feel you.
the Bulls are in control. So I want to see. I'm gonna be looking at the charts all day today. I don't know if I'll put in another trade. I just want to do some studying to see what I notice, if I notice anything. All right, Cloud. Anything in closing before we step off for the week?
Mo, you done for the week? You said.
Yeah, like no, like anything in closing, because we'll be back on Monday.
My the trade I'm currently in, that one micro trade is currently up 180 points on one micro. I'm gonna leave that micro hopefully run to get to 300s if possible. Today was a good day. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I stayed patient in the short when everybody went short. DC and Mo caught a phenomenal short off open 100 points, and I was able to get 100 some points long. So I'm definitely happy about today.
Nice. DC, anything in closing?
Was a good day. Got done early. No drawdown. No losing trades. Stress free. Can go and enjoy my night.
Alrighty. All right, everybody. Thank you again for joining us for another live. We'll be on again Monday. Same time, 9:20. Till then, remember, always practice good risk management, save your capital, and make proper trades. And if you want access to any of these indicators, if you're seeing this on a replay, just click the link in the bio, sign up for the promo code, and we will get you all signed up, ready to go. Till then, thank you, everybody. I'll see you on Monday.
Bye, guys.
Hey, DC, trading tomorrow, DC?